20,000 alcohol-related cancer deaths happen per year in the United States. So 20,000 alcohol-related cancer deaths. I can't do the quick math. So let's just pretend that's 24,000. That's 2,000 per month. That's 500 a week.
All types of cancers?
Certain cancers. Now, this is not my area of expertise, but I did a little bit of looking into it for a moment because we all know that like alcohol isn't like the best thing for you. But I'm like, how serious is this advice about how it could potentially cause cancer? And that statistic, 20,000 alcohol-related cancer deaths per year, sounds pretty like a lot. And I think it's particularly like even more so for women because it's connected to breast cancer, potentially an increase of 10% risk of breast cancer with people who consume alcohol versus not. Again, not my area of expertise, right? I'm not here to go over this guideline with you off the top of my head because this is not like my area. But what I'm curious about is how that makes you feel about consuming alcohol. Because there are other things that we might hear about that could potentially cause cancer. And we're like, okay, I guess I'll stop using that.
Yeah.
But
like this is under the term like carcinogens, correct? I'm using that term correctly. I feel like we learn a lot about like other carcinogens and we tend to forget about alcohol or to choose to forget about this one. Because for people that do consume it, it's sometimes harder to get rid of that out of your daily life. But I guess like in the same way like that people stop drinking caffeine or like coffee, soda, like that kind of stuff. I don't know. It is possible to take that out of your life. But sometimes, especially in college, unfortunately part of the lifestyle, it would take a lot of, like mental strength to do that. And also, this is not a good thing, but I feel like sometimes cancer feels like something that would affect you like way later in life. And so most times like college students don't take it very seriously unless it like has personally affected them or someone that they know.